What's the meaning of appliance? Appliance. Appliance.
Appliance. Appliance. An appliance is an electrical or mechanical device used for household or industrial tasks such as cooking, cleaning, or heating. It can be small and portable like a toaster, or large and built-in like an oven. Appliances have become essential in modern homes, helping to save time and energy in completing daily chores. They are designed for specific purposes and are often used on a daily basis. Without appliances, many tasks that we take for granted would require significantly more time and effort to complete.